Hi everyone. So finally Xiaomi launches LED TV in India. So it's called Mi LED Smart TV 4 55-inch. So it's a smart TV and the thinnest one, like 4.9 mm Brazil. But I'm actually showing this video for those who play PS4 and who are very excited to buy this TV as the price is very low, like just 40,000. So there is a one problem in this TV I face. I have another model but the same specification. 2 months before I bought Xiaomi Smart TV 4C model, the specification is same and it is also 55-inch. But the HDR is not working till now. I tried many ways, so I will show you what's the problem. Otherwise, the TV is so worth. The resolution is 3840 by 2160. Refresh rate is 60 Hz, and they have 3 HDMI port, 2 USB port, 1 AV, 1 Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the colors and everything is so good. So if you just buy for PS4, then I don't recommend, otherwise it's worth. So let's see. This is my TV. You can see the logo Mi. So this is my PS4 Pro. That is 4K. The TV is also 4K. So you can see it's in Chinese because I bought it from China. So here we log in. This is my PSN ID. So I will directly show you in the setting what's the problem I am facing. So sound and screen, you can find here. Video output setting, resolution. Now I'm getting 1080 pixel, size 55. So when I do HDR automatic, it will say your TV does not support HDR. Actually, this problem not only in this TV, in all Xiaomi's model, it is not compatible with PS4 till now. You can see resolution is 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz, HDCP is 1.4. Your TV might support a higher quality color format and a 4K HDR if you change its setting, but till now I can't find how to change. So now I will show you another HDMI cable, which HDCP is 2.2. So now I will change. I have two HDMI cables because many people suggest me maybe your HDMI cable is not well, so you can change it. So I bought another one, but the same result. So now we can change the resolution 21 by 60p, but the result is same. HDR, your TV does not support HDR. So the resolution is now 3840 by 2160, color format YUV420, HDCP 2.2. The HDR not supported. So some people said like the game lag in this TV, but till now I didn't face any issue. From last 2 months I'm playing my PS4 on this TV, so I will show you a game play so you can enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
October, we're in Aachen. Krauts are fighting like hell for it because it's the first time one of their cities has been invaded by the Allies. We thought with the liberation of Paris we'd be one step closer to home, but our troubles are just beginning. We're fighting in the city now, Aachen. The Krauts got a death grip on it, and for good reason. We're drilling a hole clear through their western border. Davis has us going block by block, house by house. Knock them all down, he calls them. Turner and Pearson, I ain't seen eye to eye since we got here. Grind's taking a toll on us all.
Time for more beans and bullets.
I tell you to do it. It is the goddamn mission.
Hey, pick up the pace! We gotta hit CP by nightfall.
Hey, I'm just lying around. Show me your girl.
Thought I told you not to go through my things.
What kind of chump doesn't open a sugar report?
The kind who thinks it's a Dear John. See the address? She wrote Daniels, not Red. Only one reason to be so formal. Hate to say it, I think she's cutting you loose. Or hey, maybe it's like Schrodinger's letter. You know, you don't open it, she's still your girl.
Maybe it's like Schrodinger's letter.
What?
What's wrong with you?
Quit screwing around.
We at the State Theater at 07:30 tomorrow.
Everybody's got their limits. Everybody.
True or not, Hazel, I gotta believe you still love me if I'm gonna stay strong.
Let's go, let's go.
Come on, Daniels!
Daniels, I got you. Keep your head down. God damn it, we keep crushing him and they keep coming back.
We can't hold the flat much longer.
Artillery's on its way, they're saying 10 minutes tops!
Might as well be 10 hours. Lieutenant Colonel, lead the tanks to go
The
down.
tanks are covered on
Hey,
fire!
pipe down and let me think,
No,
goddammit!
no, no,
All right, Daniel, you and I will go with Pearson and call it in. Move!
All right, let's go.
Fire!
Daniel, get